Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi connectivity issues on Samsung Galaxy A57. Before trying to troubleshoot this issue on your Samsung, also check out your other devices. If the devices nearby that are connected to the same Wi-Fi network have free internet access, then start the troubleshooting. If not, then reach out to your internet provider and ask for some outages on their side, or restart your router. Now, the first step of troubleshooting is restarting the networks. To do that, simply swipe down the control center and enable airplane mode. Disable it after a couple of seconds to let your networks refresh their connections. Hold your finger down on the Wi-Fi menu, select your current network, check its status. If it still says no internet, tap the gear icon next to your Wi-Fi network and tap forget. Select your Wi-Fi once again, re-enter the password to it, and tap connect. Then see whether there is an internet connection, and if not, then try to restart your phone. So, to do that, we have to press power button and volume down keys at the same time and select restart option. And wait for your phone to relaunch. After the restart, check your connection status once again, and if you still have no Wi-Fi, then go to your device's settings, scroll all the way down to General Management, open this menu, then scroll down to Reset, and to reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Once the settings are reset, go back to your connections, Wi-Fi, and reconnect to the desired Wi-Fi network. Then tap connect, and this time there should be no issues with your Wi-Fi network. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.